Hi, third graders. This is Mrs. Evans from Jordan Elementary School. I hope you're all doing well. Have you been playing video games? Have you been reading books? Have your parents ever walked in and said, "How long have you been doing that?" That's called elapsed time, the amount of time that passes from when you start an activity till you stop an activity. This year in third grade, we learned how to figure that out. One of the ways that you can figure out how to do elapsed time is something called a T-chart. With the T-chart, you have your start time and your stop time. And then you simply draw the T like we have here, and you put the time on the left side. And then lots of times when the time is short, we start with 10-minute increments. And so as you can see here, this is one way to figure out that when the time starts at 1:32 and it ends at 2:07, that's 35 minutes of elapsed time. My favorite way to figure out elapsed time is using mountains, hills, and rocks. And I bet some of you learned how to do that. I know our third graders at Jordan did. What that means is that we do a mountain for an hour, we do hills for 5 or 10 minutes, and then we do rocks for 1 minute. So let's say I started playing Minecraft at 1:40, and my parents walked in at 2:58 and said, "How long have you been playing Minecraft?" Well, I can whip out my paper and do a trusty number line. And I can see here that from 1:40 to 2:40, an hour has passed. From 2:40 to 2:50, 10 minutes passed because I used my hill. And I have another hill for 5 more minutes, and then I do my rocks for 1 minute. So I figured out that the time that passed from 1:40 to 2:58 is 1 hour and 18 minutes. Now, do you have to use mountains, hills, and rocks to figure out elapsed time? No. When you get good with it and you're comfortable, then you can switch to just using a regular number line and simply using jumps. And you decide, once you feel comfortable, how much time goes with each jump. As you see here, I started out with 10-minute increments, and then I knew from 1:52 to 2 o'clock, that was 8 minutes. Did I need to break that down into 5 minutes and 3 1-minute jumps? No, I can use 8 minutes. This is just like the first one I did. So again, the elapsed time here is 35 minutes. Next time your parents walk in and they want to know how long you've been on the computer, you'll be able to tell them. See ya.